worried about the fact that you haven't got your enrollment documents and that lectures are starting this week and you are missing out. Please don't be worried. We all know, and lecturers also know, that at this time of year the enrollment process takes time. However, of course, we encourage you to come here as soon as possible, because depending on your degree program, there are live lectures or lab events that you should be joining, if possible. So we ask you to contact your study guide, find out about live events and lectures in presence and so on. And otherwise, please don't worry.